Oh my god. It has been way too long. I have not made a video since the end of 2020. Anyway guys, what's going on? Back with another Gamer Boy Nice video. My quality might sound better because for Christmas I got this sick new mic. Anyway, point of today's video, we're going to be playing Halo. Cole's going to be there. Samuel's going to be there. Ryan's going to be there. I hope you guys have a good time listening to this. Halo. Anyway, got some drip. We got brain cells, or at least I used to, but not anymore. Anyway, I hope you guys have an excellent time watching this. I know I'll have an excellent time playing this. So. Ryan! You suck! You had one job, and that was to not say anything! And you know what you did? You said something! Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, we'll be getting back right to this video. So hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great life. Anyway, let's jump right in. Just like I don't know. Yeah. Faction brother.
Wait,
that's racist actually. Where's John Cena? Sorry, guys, give me a second. John Cena.
Oh, you.
Tristan, no, not this again. No, not this again, Tristan. No.
Not to John Cena. Sorry, I slipped out, guys. It won't happen again. I swear. I just got a little too in my feels.
What?
I got a little too in my feels, guys. You know how John Cena gets you sometimes.
Fair enough. There's a man.
Gregory,
He killed me.
you have to vent.
Have you heard of Among Us, Gregory?
Hello,
Hey, have you heard of these nuts? Gregory.
See, that's the thing. Tristan cannot edit.
See, I could edit. I just don't want to.
Oh, so he's lazy.
Yes, faction brother.
So he's
Future my
mega
friend.
lazy. Hey Ryan, how much does Tristan pay you?
None.
He doesn't.
Huh, Ryan, you know how I pay you.
Okay.
That's kind of busting.
Did I kill him?
Oh, okay. Yeah, he did.
Just had to give that guy a real kick.
Real kiss, Tristan? What are you
Real
doing?
quick kiss. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't do
kissing
my.
man?
Get better.
I didn't do
You're
my
kissing
vocal
man?
warm-ups.
You should do your vocal warm-ups.
You should
I
do
think
your
that's
mom.
a good idea.
God, what?
What?
Tristan, what?
Yes, I know that.
Sorry, I just dropped
I
from the
don't think
heavens.
you-
And then he shot me! I was killing people, I dropped from the heavens, and then he shot me.
Ryan!
Ryan, we get in.
Fuck it.
Samuel, we gotta go. Don't die.
We gotta go! We gotta go!
Oh my gosh.
Tristan, get in. Tristan, get in.
Oh, well, Sam's dead.
Get in.
Oh! Ah! No! No! You suck!
Get in.
Oh,
Get in.
it's good.
You suck! I fell for your trick!
Switch to my POV for that part, just a little bit of it.
No.
Oh, dang. Tristan's dead now.
Tristan is big dead. Ah!
Sorry.
I got no hole, I got you.
Oh, I killed him.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I just got a. I'm sorry. I just got a freaking Xbox achievement. So.
Cool, I need that POV for that.
Yeah, you're gonna need my POV for that.
Man got me with the bite of 87. I'm
Dang.
gonna be real.
I got no hole, I got you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I killed him.
Oh, my bad.
I'm sorry.
And in my mashing of E, got back in, and I was
Oh my
panicking.
god. This is a.
Dude,
bullying.
this is so unfair.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Nah!
Oh my god!
This
you
is-
don't need my help.
No, I died! I died! I had running
Yeah,
riot too. I got running riot.
I saw that. You should.
Yeah. Tristan, shoot the people. Stop shooting me. I'm a square. Give me a square.
This is not as good as the actual tank.
I'm still getting.
It's. Wait.
Oh,
You just effortlessly one
my
shot
game
them.
might have just crashed.
Oh, they have glass in their way. The cowards. Get out! Get out! Oh, now they're coming for me.
Yeah, I have to abandon Tristan because
Halo Infinite is not responding, so I think this is a good spot to end the video. Anyway, thank you
We
guys.
didn't even get any. We got literally no footage, Tristan.
Yeah, we did.
There was nothing funny that happened, Tristan.
Yeah,
There's
well,
nothing funny.
poo pants aggressively.